Hi, I'm Matt Kemper, a comfort consultant at JK Mechanical, and today's question is, how do I know if it's time to replace my air conditioner? Some of the most obvious signs first are going to be physical signs like a noisy unit, or you could notice some ice accumulation on the unit, which is usually a sign of loss of refrigerant. And then other symptoms are going to be higher utility costs because the unit is running more frequently, and you're also going to experience lack of comfort. You could experience higher humidity in the home because the unit is not performing to manufacturer specs any longer. And you're also going to notice an inability to cool the home as well as it once did. A unit that runs a long time, of course, is certainly going to increase your utility rate. So those are some things you could look for.